yung camera ni
Ana. Wait. Muna.
Shining hard, go we back up. Rose gold,
Welcome back to my channel. In today's video is we're gonna be doing another unboxing. I got an item from Hermes again. I went out, but I purchased this through online and shipped it to the store. So I met my friend today and we had a good time. So I picked this one up. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing, and this is an Avalon throw pillow. So if you're interested what color I've picked up and also my first impression about the item, then let's start the unboxing in 1, 2, 3. So what I did is I ordered the blanket in the website and shipped it to the store, and I just picked it up. So as always, if you shipped it straight to the store, you will always get a paper bag, but if you're gonna ship it to your place, you will only get the orange box with ribbon, of course. I like doing it like this. Hallelujah. I don't know. So I'm just making it so difficult. So and then, oops. So you got here the cards. She inserted the cards right here. So I ordered this as a gift. So she asked me when I picked it up, she said, is this a gift? I said, yeah, a gift for myself. So they included the receipts right here. And wait a minute. This card is empty. So she gave me 2 cards actually. And then this one right here is my letter to myself. So I said here, Dear Yana Sue, hope all is well after some huge purchases. This blanket cost a kidney, don't ask for more. Yours truly, D. Myself. And then also this one right here, of course, they will always include a receipt. Here is the blanket. So this is what I got. It's color black, and there are 2 sizes actually. There's for baby, and this one is the adult size, whatever. And yeah, I got the black. It's really soft. So as you can see, the stitches right here, it's thick on the edge. Wait. So it's really thick on the edges and it's really soft. I like it so much. This black right here, it's more on grayish than dark black. I wish it's dark black. Also a couple of H. There you go. So this is how the blanket looks like. I've never seen people purchased black and showed it on YouTube. I've seen like browns, but not the black one. So yeah, like I've said, it's really soft. It has a weight, it has a substance, but not super heavy. Actually, you could carry this in the airport, I guess, if you're not carrying a lot and you want to feel comfortable. The edges has a thick stitches, yes, and this one right here, it's more on a dirty white. It's not really white, I can't explain it, but here I'm a bit I'm not disappointed, but I was expecting that this is true black, but it's more on black grayish, things like that. But overall, it's a really pretty blanket and it's light. This is good for winter. Yep, and there you go. So about the price of this item, wait. So if you want to know how much I purchased this one right here, so this is an Hermes Avalon throw blanket in a shade Ecru Gris Foncé. I'm not sure about the peeling because people were saying like the peeling is really bad. but hopefully not. This will be staying on the couch. I'm not gonna be using this every day because and yeah, again, this one right here, it's more on a gray brownish white, if that makes any sense. Yes, and it's really soft. It's really soft. It's really soft. I like it so much. So yeah, let me know if you have this blanket and tell me about the quality of it, because so far I could say it's a good quality. The softness, it's impeccable. It's amazing. Well, I think that's it, guys, and see you on my next post, and thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please don't forget to click the like button. So it is a really good Saturday. It's a really good weekend. So hope yours is good too. And yeah, see you on my next post. Bye.